Good afternoon, everyone. May the peace and blessings of the Almighty be upon all of you. So, finally, the D-Day, the day which we all have been waiting for. Well, me and my team here, we waited for 90 long and straight days for this very moment, for this day. Fine. Before I tell you more about this, I want to tell you guys why I created SOH or why we established Speakers of Hyderabad. Right from my childhood, I'm someone who's very passionate about public speaking. I love doing this. I love what I'm doing. I've done this in schools, in colleges, in national levels, and I have seen people in front of my very eyes who want to speak up, who want to improve themselves. So I thought, why not give these students like us, like me, to give a chance to improve a platform where they can improve themselves, transform themselves. So this is the reason why SOH was created at the start. Anyways, I had a long intro about what Speakers of Hyderabad wanted to do and what are we planning to do and the main aims, motives, visions. But because of due to technical failures, we started a little late, and that is why I'll cut short my speech. I'll come down to right to the topic why I came here. Let's get down to business and let's talk. How many of you have great dreams or plans? Raise your hands, please. Great. Both hai. Very good. And then how many of you ready to put in all the maximum efforts for your dreams? Raise your hands again. Same. How many of you are ready to start working on your dreams right from today, now, right when you go back at your home? Raise your hands. Comparatively less. This is what I am going to talk about. So you have to, so my dad, when he still does, he reminds me of these two TV shows when I talk about something. How many of you guys know Mungeri Lal Ke Haseen Sapne? So my dad used to remind me about these two TV shows, Mungeri Lal Ke Haseen Sapne and Sheikh Chilli, and he used to tell me it's great to dream big. It's good to dream big, but you need to start working on your dreams. You need to roll up your sleeves and get down on the field. So what are the main reasons why we do not start? There are these two questions of what ifs and how long. Let's get down to what ifs. The what ifs are the fear of what if people don't like me. The fear of what if I fail. The fear of what if people don't appreciate what I do. The fear of what if I just might not reach my goal. When we started this, the SOH, when I thought of conducting this summit, it was just a dream. I went, told all my friends about it. I told my teammates. As usual, there'll be some people who laughed about it and said, there's no one going to come at your summit. And there are people in this auditorium who told me that. And I want you guys to take a good look around and see if there are any more seats empty at the back. So I did what I got to do. I started. There'll be lots of people. See, I'll put it to you, hard truth, guys. You can attend thousands of seminars on motivation, on leadership, management, entrepreneurship, but nothing is going to happen. It's not going to work if you do not put in your efforts. Hard truth. You cannot have $1 million dream with a minimum wage ethic. You need to live and breathe your dream. Coming down to the how longs. How long would it take for me to reach my goal? How long do we strive for this? How long do I really have to push myself? Well, if you guys came in that mindset, then just buckle up your seats and get some popcorn because it's a long, long way. Every 20-year-old wants it tomorrow. Every 40-year-old wants it tomorrow. Let me tell you something. No one is getting it tomorrow. Success is not an overnight business. There is no golden ticket to success. Persistence, determination, and hard work. These three things is what will get you anything and everything in this world. Literally anything and everything. My warriors here, the people in suit with these golden bands, these are the people. We were 10 of us, just 10 people. At start, we were 7. 7 people managed to gather a crowd of 700 people. So, if you believe and you start working, then you will come down to your results. For example, if you have your own startup company and you failed, big deal. You at least know how to start up your business. If you invested your money somewhere and you failed again or you lost your money, you at least are one step closer to making money now. So if you came last in maybe your singing competition class, you at least now know what is required to do to come first. So you will, when you get down to the ground and start working, that is my main message, what I want to tell you guys. The main motive of getting you guys here is, whatever is your dreams, you need to start working. You need to ignore and you need to answer your what ifs and how longs. And once this happens, then comes the next part. The reason why these 2 questions came in existence is you did not have your why clear. I'll have a challenge. We have few IPL tickets to give away. Last question. Anyone from here can tell your dream. I'll ask you why 5 times. You answer that, I'll give you an IPL ticket. Fair enough? Anyone raise of hands? Tell me your dream. Volunteers, please give out on the mics. Is anyone ready to... Okay, there's a raise of hand there. What's your dream?
I should tell my dream.
Yes.
So I want to be an aviation pilot.
Why?
So the only reason is I love adventure and I love a kind of job where I would be working in the adventure and I don't want a normal job where I will just sit in the...
Why?
I love adventure. I love traveling to places.
Why?
I love to explore places.
Fine, 3 whys. One more why. More 2 whys. Why? Why do you love to explore places?
I love to talk to people. I love to explore things, basically.
That's the same thing. Anyone else? Someone on your side. 5 whys. What's your dream?
I am Waqar and I want to be an entrepreneur. I'll tell you why.
Why?
I want to be an entrepreneur because I want to make a change. Your next why, I will again tell I want to make a change. Again, I want to make a change. Again, I want to make a change.
Great. This is the answer I was looking for. Give your name down to the backstage. I'll get you an IPL ticket. So, once your why is clear, everything goes easy. Your house gets very clear when your whys get easy. And trust me, friends, why is never about money. Why is never about passion. This is what I told to my juniors in my college. According to me, your why should be creating an impact in this world. And there is no larger physical, imaginable, or virtual quantity that is greater than creating a meaningful impact in this world. That is what matters in the end. Money cannot be a why. So, at end, your whys should not be focused to your money. According to me, it should be creating an impact in this world. Because when you die tomorrow, everyone's going to die. Everyone believes in death here. Everyone's going to die. What are you going to take behind? If you create an impact, you will leave a legacy behind. You will leave an empire behind you that will run forward, that will do things even if you are buried 6 feet under the ground. That is what creating a meaningful impact is. It can be as small as you want. It can be, you might feed some cat every day, or you might help someone cross the road. You might create some positive change in someone's lives. Because when you die, when I die, people are not going to talk about how rich I was. People are not going to talk about which cars I drove or which places I chilled at. People will talk about who Kamran was. people will talk about how Kamran loved and how he cared and how he made others feel. This is what they're going to talk about. This is the purpose of everything and anything you do. And I have done my job and at least inculcated this in maybe 10 minds here out of the hundreds. I have done my job. And if you have decided to create a meaningful impact, maybe small steps, it does not necessarily you start big. Everyone starts from rock bottom. Started from the bottom and now we are here. SOH was from bottom. There was nothing. We were here. We are here now. The great people, the people who are making it large, everyone started from bottom. You need to do that. There is no skip button to that. So it's okay, but you need to start. And once you have decided to do so, to all my great warriors who have decided to make a meaningful change in this world, it is not easy. You will have a lot of obstacles. You will be beaten down to the ground by life, by people, by friends, by family. That is when the last part of my speech comes, is you do not give up. And this is, see, all this would be in vain if you do not take action. I need you guys to take action with it. You do not give up. May whatever happen, you do not give up. However small your dream was, either you live or die, you achieve that dream and die. And there is no dream that is small.